How to get a cape in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just go to the Minecraft menu and go to dressing room right here. Once you're there, just click on the three-line menu here on the top left, then click on capes. Once you have your cape, you can just simply click on the cape that you want and just simply click on equip. So I think everyone has this pan cape right here, so you could just basically equip it if you want. But if you want more capes, just simply click on the three-line menu right here again and click on go to marketplace and just basically find any cape that you want. But for me, the pan cape is okay. Now once that's done, you can just go back and now open up your world. Now I'm currently on my world. I'm just gonna change my POV just like so, and as you can see, I am now using my cape right here. So you see just like that, and that's how you basically get a cape in Minecraft.